Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Google Slides in full screen presenter mode in 2026. It's super useful if you want a clean, distraction-free presentation. And yeah, it's easier than you might think. First, open the Google Slides presentation you want to share. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, click the Present button in the top right corner. This will start the full screen presentation mode. Once in full screen, click the drop-down arrow next to Present and select Presenter View. This gives you your slides, speaker notes, and a timer on a separate window. Now, if you want others to see your presentation, you can either share your screen via Zoom, Google Meet, or any video call, or click the Share button to send a link. Make sure the viewers have access permissions if you're sending a link. Use the arrow keys or click to move through your slides, and your audience will see the full screen presentation exactly as you do. It keeps your notes handy without showing them to your viewers, which is super handy. And that's it. You've now learned how to share Google Slides in full screen presenter mode in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more tutorials.